Hey everybody, this is my Flatware, the Waltz version 1 frame, running the Odyssey 41 16mm offset forks, Odyssey integrated headset, of course. I mean, that just runs for days. Carbon fiber spacers just to make it look a little bit nicer. The S&M Redneck FTL stem, running the Bayou bars, a 3-degree upsweep, 0 back sweep, cufflink chain grips, a Odyssey monolever running the slick cable, going down to the Evo 2 brake, head back a little bit, Odyssey twisted pedals, everybody seems to like those, the Odyssey Flatware, Flatland specific, 160 millimeter hollow axle cranks and 22 teeth sprocket, Rhode Island sprocket actually. A Colt chain. Go up a little bit. My bad. S&M clamp, S&M long Johnson seat post, a Mike Aiken seat. Head back a little bit. Frequency G's tires, 1.75. Hold up. Alex DM22 rims, running a Tasker U-Free coaster, radial laced. I don't know why, but some people are switching to a radial lace instead of a cross lace, even though cross lace is a little bit stronger than the radial lace. But I guess the radial lace looks a little bit better. Anyways, getting off topic. Frequency G tires, 1.75. Same as the rear. Alex DM 22 rims. Sorry about that. Radial lace to a DK front hub. I know it's not the best, but it runs like a champ. I'll show you that in a minute. G Sport plagues in the front and the rear. But I need to get spacers because, whoa, the spacers I have right now fit into the peg, so I need to fix that. Hold up, I need to flip this upside down so I can show you everything about it. Oh my god. Okay, you want to see how good this front hub is? Look at that. That'll spin forever. For forever, yeah. Good English. But, problem is, I need to get a new actual cable, but not the sleeve. Just the cable, because I need to have a little bit of play on the lever. But, watch. Now, yeah, I think it's just a little bit too tight right there, because look at this. It's not supposed to be like that. Man, I mean, it is a great bike, but just needs a few adjustments. Not very many. I mean, I can live with it. But I also need to adjust the pedals because it's kind of loose right here. But that's easy. The free coaster I still have to learn about because I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not, if you can hear it, but I guess you have to go back a little bit for it to go, and I guess it has like a little bit of play in it. Wait, hold on, my bad. It has a little bit of play in it, just enough for the free coaster to catch it going backwards and forwards. But this chain is super, super tight. And I wonder if that's the problem or not. But I can always just fix that. I mean, I had to just pull the actual rim forward a little bit more. But other than that, that's it. That's my bike.